Hi, I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to be going through this haul from the BBC Good Food Show Winter, a mixture of freebies and an actual paid merch. First I'm going to start off with this. So in this bag, let's see what's in this bag. This was paid for. It's a truffle cheese. I bought two 100 grams of truffle cheese. I'm going to open this one, so I already opened it, and just leave that for now. This was quite tasty when I was doing the samples of it, so I just had to buy some, already nibbled some of this. You can see the actual truffles inside. Very tasty. Just gonna carefully nip a bit. Oh, maybe I should just get a knife. Up next is this goodie bag. I think can't remember, I stuffed a bunch of stuff in it. So this is a free goodie bag from the show. Real handful of salt and vinegar peanuts, craft, baked, decaf, P&G tips. This was the show guide at the beginning. I'll go through that later. Some Mentos gum. Truffle. This is kind of funny because of the other goodie bag in a different food show. It was a free from food show for 2 weeks ago. They also gave away some flour. This was free from one of the stores. It's a lemon and it's a orange sparkling citrus drink. Very tasty. Another Mentos gum. Ironically, this was also from. They gave away the same thing in the other food show. In a different video. Some Elegant Shore raisin and hazelnut. Oh, some muesli, good for breakfast or a snack. Another muesli. Some Cornish sea salt. Some Cornish sea salt. Lily O'Brien's chocolates. Another bag of muesli. This was free from one of the stores. They gave away a tote bag in exchange for an email and details. So there was advertising the Thermomix, which can blend high temperature pre-clean, kettle, turbo, ferment scale, rice cooker, thicken, sugar stage, and so on. So I've just placed all of the leaflets that was in here from the goodie bag as well as other stores. Oh, more sea salt. I think that was from the goodie bag. Ooh, a £1 off Le Pixelite butter. Saving that. Asda Christmas guide. Go through that later on. And a collection of different leaflets which will go at the end of the video. Oh, there's this Thermix. This pouch was free from the cheese van, from the Castella cheese van. That was also doing a tasting and selling actual cheese. I've got a little vlog of it. I've got a clip of trying the cheese in the vlog, which I'll place in the link in the description box or the link in the end screen, which you can find on the Suki42 Deathlake YouTube channel. And this is a little squished. It's a little squished after hauling it back home. It's a cube of cheese. Not a cube, a triangle of cheese. A bit squished, but still edible. They also got a little card about what the ingredients are. The Castella cream blue. Very advertisement friendly. Very marketing this cheese. There's a lot of cheese stores in the place. Oh, yes! Yes! Up next is this Chihuahua pillow. Very soft and it's very furry over here. Next up is, this was from Spin the Wheel. So this was from Spin the Wheel and I won this. And it is bottle of wine. Hard-moved bottle of wine is... So, got some sauces from Lee Kum Lee stand. Oh, already looked through it. Oh. It's already a little broken, but hey ho. So, the Lee Kum Lee Walk to Wellness Guide for Nourishment, Mind and Body. This whole pack was £18. So it has got little the ingredients list, and it's also got little recipes in this book of how to use these. This is oyster sauce, chili chow chili oil, honey marmalade, char siu sauce, white seasoned rice vinegar, and I think I bought the wrong box because I was trying to buy the one with the sesame oil, but hey ho. This is the black bean garlic sauce and the tomato garlic paste, and it also came with these chopsticks. Recipe book, mini recipe book. This is also another recipe book. I think this is a different recipe book. It's kind of cool. This was the Costella cheese tasting little booklet with what was tried on the day. So mature cheddar, creamy blue, and pineapple halo. I love this cheese. Neat booklet. This was the thermistor leaflet. This was the drink leaflet. Another booklet about the thermistor. This was heavily advertised. This is cookware. I think this was in the goodie bag. Cookware, different cookwares. Winterwear. Sea salt friends. Is it? I always get confused when it's a picture of winterwear and it's sea salt. I'm assuming it's both. Yes, it is both. You're doing both. And it's also got a mini recipe in a clothing ad. That's also a salt ad. %10 off first order of these biscuits. Black Friday, extra 20% off if anyone wants to use this code. I don't think it's a code. Yep, it's a code for this other thing. 50% off. Alpro almond milk recipe. Cocoa coconut, 50p off your next purchase. Anyone would like to use this? Actually, it's a barcode. Never mind. This is a recipe. Raw handful salted peanuts. 50p off Clitbang. On our Crew Plus, claim your free sea salt. I think I will do that. Into Christmas foods. BBC Good Food Show guide. So I'll show you what's in the guide. Layer of the place. There's over 4 holes, no 2 holes. So hole 20, hole 19 and hole 18, so 3 holes. The timetable of the things, Tom Kerridge, This is, I've already placed a vlog in the Sucky42 Deathlake YouTube channel. Workshops. Different recipes. And then it's just different stores that was on the day. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my face page for more content. There are vlogs on the Sucky42 Deathlake YouTube channel, that which will be either in the link in the description box or link in the end screen of this video.